Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do my DIY pre-poo treatments, and I do this every once in a while when my hair is extremely dry and my hair is looking hella thirsty right now, so let's get to it. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of bottle, whether it be a spray bottle or applicator bottle, which I find works best because of the pointed tip and you can get to your scalp a lot easier, plus it's concentrated. Then you're going to need to grab a few oils. I'm using 5, but yeah, you definitely don't have to use this many. You can switch them out to your liking, but everything that I'm using will be linked in the description box. So first up is coconut oil. It's a natural conditioner. It adds luster and shine to your hair. Plus it's great for retaining moisture, which is why my hair loves it so much. So I'm using the whole bottle, which was about 1 fluid ounce. Next, I'm adding some castor oil, which is best known for promoting hair growth, restoring hair loss, and then it's rich in proteins, minerals, and vitamin E. So I'm adding about 1 ounce of that, and then I'm adding olive oil, which is a really good softener and detangler, plus it seals in moisture. So I'm going to add about 1/2 ounce of that. Next up is sweet almond oil, which is high in protein, so it's a great hair strengthener as well as sealing in moisture. And then the last oil that I'm going to add is grapeseed oil, which is perfect for thin or fine hair like mine because it's a lightweight moisturizer and it's non-greasy. And I ended up with about 3 ounces of a mixture, and you may or may not need to add more depending on the amount of hair you have. For best results, you're going to want to heat this up in the microwave, kind of similar to a hot oil treatment, but make sure you do increments of 30 seconds so that way it won't be too hot, but I did mine for a minute. Okay, so now we're ready to start using our DIY mixture. I always like to start by sporadically applying the mixture to my scalp and massaging it in just to open up those hair follicles and get the blood flowing. Now, if you don't know what a pre-poo treatment is, I'll explain it to you. So a pre-poo is what you do before you shampoo your hair. So it acts as a shield to protect your hair without stripping its natural oils, even if you use a sulfate shampoo. There's also some really good benefits of doing this kind of treatment. Like I said, it acts as a protective measure, plus it makes your hair more manageable, it adds softness, it restores moisture, it makes your hair easier to detangle, which also leads to less breakage. Okay, so next I'm splitting my hair into sections to make it easier to work with. My hair is usually hella dry when I'm doing this, so sectioning really helps. I'm going to be applying more oil to my scalp in case I miss any areas and giving my scalp a little more concentrated TLC. Then I start detangling, and you'll notice I'm constantly adding more oil to help melt away any tangles. And if you need to add water, you can, but I'm just using the oil mixture that I created. I'm making sure that my entire length of hair from roots to ends are covered and completely saturated with the oil mixture. And even though the detangling process takes some time, it's still worth it in the end because your hair will already be detangled before you start washing your hair, which means less time in the shower. So you're doing all the hard work on the front end to make your wash day a lot easier. And don't worry, you're gonna shed a little hair. It's natural and it's a part of the process, y'all. So once I'm done detangling, I just twist up my hair and move on to the next section, making sure to give those ends a little extra love. And this is very important, especially if you want to retain length. If you notice, I'm taking my time while detangling, making sure I don't cause any unnecessary breakage. Don't be rough with y'all's hair now. That's why I use my fingers a lot. But if you need to, use a wide tooth comb and just be gentle. I'm looking like, bye Felicia. Now you can either stop here and sleep in your pre-poo treatment overnight, or you can do what I'm about to do. Whenever I have time, I always like to go the extra mile. Trust me, your hair will thank you for this. So I'm going to be incorporating indirect heat to amp up this pre-poo treatment, and I'm just loosely pinning up all my twists and putting on a Walmart bag. And honestly y'all, I stopped buying those plastic caps because grocery bags work just the same. And as you can see, I'm poking holes through the bag so that way more heat can come through for extra penetration. And I actually picked up this tip from Jade of Lipstick and Curls. So I have about 1 ounce of the mixture left, which I'll save and keep for next time. And after about 15 minutes, I'll rinse it out and continue on with my wash day. So that's pretty much it guys for my DIY pre-poo treatment. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!